Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this video, we will guide you through the installation process of an Arnott remanufactured rear shock for the Mercedes-Benz GL-Class X164 or the Mercedes-Benz ML-Class W164 with Airmatic and ADS, excluding AMG. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly, and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Now remove the applicable rear wheel and locate and disconnect the air spring's airline connection to relieve stress from the suspension. In the rear cargo area, remove all applicable trim panels to gain access to the upper shock mounting fasteners. Reference the manufacturer's instructions for the removal of the interior paneling. With the trim panels removed, lift the insulation to gain access to the top mount nuts and loosen and remove them. Next, disconnect the shock's damping solenoid electrical connector located just behind the shock on the control arm. Then loosen and remove the lower shock mounting bolt, followed by the old shock. Tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer specifications during the installation process. Then start by installing the replacement shock, solenoid side out. Next, reinstall the lower mounting bolt. Now reconnect and reattach the ADS electrical connection back to the original mounting location on the control arm. In the rear cargo area, lift the insulation to gain access to the top mount nuts. Once you gained access, install and tighten them. Reference the manufacturer's specifications and installation instructions for the interior panels and torque specifications. Lastly, reinstall the wheel and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing the Arnott remanufactured rear shock for Mercedes-Benz. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.